Alright, let's break down bank reconciliations real quick, because if your books don't match your bank, you've got a problem. A bank reconciliation is matching your cash balance to the bank's balance. They rarely match at first, and that's normal. The goal is to figure out why. So check this out. I use an acronym called DOE BINES. The acronym is split between the bank side and the book side. On the bank side is deposits in transit, outstanding checks, and errors. Then on the book side, it's bank collections, interest income, NSF checks, errors, and service charges. Start with the bank statement balance. Add deposits in transit, money you've received but the bank hasn't processed yet. Subtract outstanding checks, checks written that haven't cleared. Adjust for any bank errors. That gives you the adjusted bank balance. Now the book side. Start with your cash balance. Add bank collections and interest income. Money the bank collected for you. Subtract NSF checks, that's bounce checks from the customers. Subtract service charges, adjust for any book errors, and that's your adjusted book balance. If both sides match, you're reconciled. If they don't, you've got more digging to do. I'm Christian with Soul Tax. Keep taxes simple, clean, and stress-free.